Today, we've got something seriously cool to talk about, Naerwear's STUND watch. Now, when we throw around the word timeless, we're not talking about your grandma's antique clock. We're talking about a sleek, modern piece of tech that's redefining how we tell time. The STUND is a round 41mm timepiece weighing 50 grams, machined from a block of 316 stainless steel. The STUND watch from the Danish startup Naerwear is breaking all the rules of traditional timepieces. No hands, no numbers, just pure minimalist magic. This watch is like the James Bond of time-telling, with a vibe that's all about discreet sophistication. So, what's the deal with the STUND watch? Well, it ditches the conventional clock face and embraces a unique way of keeping you on schedule. Instead of staring at numbers, it communicates with you through gentle vibrations and subtle lights. The surface of this steel wonder has 4 tiny holes that light up to give you the lowdown on your day. But here's where it gets interesting. The STUND watch lets you customize its vibes at intervals you choose, whether it's a quick 5 minutes or a leisurely 60. It's like having a personal time butler, keeping you in the loop without being intrusive. And let's talk about those holes. They're not just for show. Each one has a purpose, subtly indicating different time intervals. Now, the STUND watch isn't just a pretty face. It's crafted from a single block of stainless steel, giving it that rugged yet refined look. The design philosophy here is all about stripping away the unnecessary and focusing on the essentials. Naerwear has flipped the script on the traditional clock layout too. But what if you're not feeling the stainless steel vibe all the time? Fear not! Naerwear's got you covered with changeable vegan leather straps. You can switch up your style with a quick change, thanks to a small screwdriver. Now, about the functionality. This is meant to help users with mindfulness techniques as a way to be more present during activities and prevent time wasting. The STUND watch won't let you hit the snooze button, but you can turn it off when you need some peace and quiet. A simple press and hold on the crown, and you're in control. Naerwear assures us that it's water resistant, but don't go deep sea diving with it. Light rain and a sweaty workout? Sure thing. The battery life is impressive, lasting up to 5 months. And when it eventually taps out, no worries. Just grab a standard 3-volt coin cell battery from your local store, and you're good to go. Plus, the attention to detail is real. Every component is hand-polished for that mirror-like shine. Exciting news! You can jump on the STUND bandwagon by pre-ordering on Indiegogo. The early birds get a sweet deal at $181, a 17% discount from the regular $220. Shipments are set to kick off in March 2024, so mark your calendars. That's a wrap for today's video, folks. If you're as hyped about the STUND watch as I am, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech goodness, and I'll catch you in the next one.